Selamat pagi semuanya. Saya lagi ada di kebun. Coba lihat ini bunga-bunga daun kenikir. Ini bunganya cantik sekali ya. Nah, ini juga. Ini juga. Terutama yang ini ya. Itu cantik. Nah, daunnya seperti ini. Ini bagus sekali untuk membunuh sel kanker di dalam tubuh. Nah, cara menanamnya sangat mudah. Jadi ini, jika tanaman kenikir ini punya seperti ini, artinya sudah mulai kering. Nah, ini juga. Ini berasal dari kuncup-kuncup yang seperti ini ya. Nih, yang seperti ini. Nah, jika sudah seperti ini, dia mengering, ini artinya dia bisa tumbuh di tempat lain kalau terbawa angin. Jadi kita ambil seeds-nya. Ini seeds-nya. So this is the seeds of kenikir, and this plant is very good for fighting cancer in our body, and this is according a lot of science. And you can boil it and you can eat it raw even. It might be a bit smelly, which you don't like, but the function or the benefit for our health is very good. So this is from the nature. Jadi ini, so this is the seeds. These are the seeds. I'm picking it up. Jadi ini bijinya ya. Kita ambil saja. Ini yang putih-putih, the white part here is because some ants are around, so they built this. Jadi ini karena semut ya ada di sekitar sini, tidak apa-apa. Kita ambil saja. Nah, seeds-nya seperti ini. Coba lihat bunganya, cantik sekali. Ini cantik bunganya. Ini ada ladybug juga. Karena memang ini organik ya. Because this is organic, this is what happened. Ants built the nest like, and then ladybug here as well. Jadi kita ambil saja seeds-nya seperti ini dan kita semai di sini ya. Di sini tanahnya bagus, hitam gembur. Jadi saya tanam di sini aja. Nah, ini juga ini lemongrass dari yang seperti ini nih, karena saya potong di bagian atasnya, dan ini kemarin ada akarnya, sekarang udah nggak ada lagi, kita buang aja. Nah, yang ini yang ada akarnya dia tumbuh lagi. Lemongrass is growing now. Look at this, can you see a little root here? This is lemongrass and I just chop it because I use it, and then I just leave a little bit, and then I saw there is a little root, so we just plant it. Jadi kita tanam aja, it will grow like this and like this, simple as that. Jadi beginilah saya berkebun. Dan ini okra, this is okra from the seeds. So if you want to plant okra, leave these seeds until getting dry. After it is getting dry, then it will be hardened, and the outside part of this okra will be blackened or a bit brownish, which means that it's dry out. And then inside you will find a lot of seeds, and just leave the seeds on the ground and it will grow like this. Jadi saya biarkan saja seperti ini, nanti dia tetap produksi okra dan dia akan mengering, seedsnya atau bijinya akan kita biarkan jatuh, akan tumbuh lagi. Ini mangga from the seeds, turmeric. Nah, turmeric, ini daun turmeric, this is turmeric leaves. Dan the turmeric atau kunyitnya is in the ground. Ini juga kunyit, this is turmeric leaves. This one is red ginger. Red ginger is the best variety and the most beneficial for health. So this is the ginger leaves, red ginger, this one as well, and of course the root will be there. And this one here, ini kencur, we call it kencur. It looks like ginger but it's different. They grow nicely as well. That one, this one, and that one is called temulawak. It looks like turmeric but bigger, so it will grow as well soon. And this one is galangal. The galangal leaves, oh my god, sorry, this is galangal and this is also galangal, yeah, it's not ginger, this is galangal, sorry. And ginger is this one is ginger, a bit smaller, and this one is galangal leaves, and this one is galangal as well. And then let's go to this one. This is red ginger like what I said. Jadi ini jahe merah. Coba lihat, jahenya tuh tumbuh banyak. Di sana juga banyak. Di sana. Di sini juga. Itu gingernya, red ginger. The red ginger are grown very fast and plenty. And this one is like what I said, it is galangal. Galangal itu adalah lengkuas atau laos, kami menyebutnya. Nah, ini galangal atau laos. Jadi banyak ya di sini. Di sini juga ada longgan atau apa ya bahasa Indonesianya? Oh, longgan itu lupa. Pokoknya longgan lah bahasa Inggrisnya. Nanti dicari lagi. Dan ini kelapa. Saya masih mencari-cari tempat untuk menanam kelapa. Nanti kita cari ya. Dan di sini avocado, ini mangga, dan lain-lain. So if you ask me why there are plenty of things here, di sini my compost actually. So I made compost here. So anything I put it here, I dump it here for a while. But some seeds are growing. Unfortunately, the kids or the children around here, they put plastic, and this one as well, and that one. So I will remove them because plastic is not good for environment. So later I will do it. It's still dry. My hand is still dry, and these things are still wet because last night it was raining hard. Nearly every day it was raining. So kita tunggu until it gets dry first, and then I can collect them. So I will remove all the plastic bags and unnecessary stuff here and just leave the bio stuff here to be rotten and then to be a compost for my plants. Yeah. If you ask me about this one, this is poison ivy. It's very itchy. Jadi ini sangat berbahaya dan gatal sekali daun ini. Jangan disentuh kalau bisa, karena gatal. Dan update untuk hari ini tanaman cabai. Ini ada 5 or pomegranate white version. This is guava. Look at that. Jadi ini jambu merah. Jadi kalau penasaran warna jambunya, coba lihat ujungnya. Ini merah ya. So this is the red version of guava, which is good for boosting the red cell in our body and also to fight malaria, if I'm not mistaken, and many things. So it grows nicely there as well. And then this one, oops, look at that. And then this one is sour soup or sirsak or nangka Belanda, we call it. So this is sour soup, plenty there. Lemongrass, I just harvested, but I leave some part to keep growing. Later I will tidy up because it's still wet. Let it dry first. Mango is in the middle. It's alright, but look at this one. This is crazy. Look, it is only from one pumpkin. It's just everywhere, occupying my garden. Look, jadi ini cuma dari 1 biji labu, tapi hampir sepenuhnya dikuasai oleh labu ini, sampai ke sana juga. So, yeah, beginilah keadaannya. So this is the situation in my garden today, but it is still very wet, so let it dry until I can walk here and to tidy up as well, of course. Thank you, have a nice day.